Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a black screen in Roblox. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Now copy this file path over here. After copying it, close stuff here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the browse option. Paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the Roblox player.exe file over here. You can find it easily with this highest KB over here and select add option. After adding it, select options and select high performance and select save. And now just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings, select allow another app, select browse, paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the Roblox player highest KB file and select open option. Select add. After adding the Roblox game client, check mark both option private and public. After that click on OK. And just to close stuff here, now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.